I think we don't know what Web3 is yet. I think we're in Web 2.5, or in the sense that we use all these Web 2 technologies in Web3 still. We use Twitter to communicate, or LinkedIn. So I think in one way, Web3 right now is something we hope, but we can't define it totally yet. We'll look back on it when we're in Web 4, and we'll know exactly what Web3 was. I think we're still in an early enough phase that there's all this opportunity in front of us, and we can choose to squander that or not. We can choose to improve representation in Web3 in a way that doesn't exist in Web2, or we can let big companies come in and not do that. Web3 and the technology behind it is just another hammer. It's a tool, and you can use a hammer for good or for bad. So I think we have the opportunity to make it and mold what Web3 is going to be.
I see Web3 as a sophisticated, technically capable young person with a huge potential and motivation to shake existing power structures, but it's kind of awaiting some form of education to draw its principles at the moment. So in that sense, I find what Circle of Trust do is very valuable. Web2 also had similar potential in terms of this distributive justice, which was partly realized for some creative industries. But actually, it ended up benefiting a handful of people instead of serving to humanity as a whole.
A step back. Let's talk about three things very quickly, right? The first thing is technology. Decentralization, blockchain, all those new elements that we attribute to Web3, fundamentally they exist for many years and are applicable to any web eras. What has dramatically changed in the last couple of years? Actually, it's not about the web protocols, but more the compute powers that has been enabled. So definitely storage and compute have grown exponentially. So third aspect is the application. What do we build on top of what we called Web3? It's new application powered from very innovative technology, which are fueled from this availability of storage and low cost and high computational power, like generative technology, ChatGPT, that are going to enable new application in the web. So what I believe is an interesting observation was the concept of trust. And what do we want to enable in the future of technology that is available to all of us?